Jai Hind दोस्तों, my name is Ashish and you are watching my channel Solution Optimum where you will be updated with the new learning things. This video is made in English language only. If you want to watch the video in Hindi language then you can go into my playlist. अगर आप हिंदी में देखना चाहते हो ये वीडियो तो मेरा प्लेलिस्ट पे दिया हुआ है. So let's start with the topic without wasting any time. As you know, the topic is given in the thumbnail. Conflicts between the Israelis and Palestinians. So today we will know how the clashes arose between the two, what are its present scenario, what are its main problem, and what does the future hold. So the first point is, how did it start? Let's know the matter. It is 100 years old issue that Britain took control of the area known as Palestine after defeating Middle East, the Ottoman Empire in the First World War. The inhabitant, that is, the resident of the land, was Jewish and Arab. Jewish was minority while Arab majority. Tension between the two people grew when the international community gave the task to Britain of establishing a national home in Palestine for the Jewish people. For Jewish, it was their ancestral, that is, paternal home from several decades. But Palestinian Arabs also claimed the land and opposed from preparing the same. It means they did not want to form national home for the Jewish people in that land. Between 1920s and 40s, the Jewish were growing rapidly, with many feeling from persecution, that is, getting oppressed in Europe and seeking a homeland after the Holocaust of Second World War. Violence between the Jewish and Arabs and against British rule also grew, that is, the intense atrocity took place at that time. In 1947, the United Nations voted for Palestine to be split, that is, divided into separate Jewish and Arab states, and made Jerusalem an international city. This plan was accepted by the Jewish leaders while it was rejected by the Arab side and never implemented the United Nations decision for separate states. Next, the creation of Israel and the catastrophe, that is, the calamity as well as disaster, comes to the Palestinians. Let's know the matter. In 1948, the problem was not resolved. British rulers left and Jewish leaders declared the creation of the State of Israel. Many Palestinians objected and a war was followed in this regard. Troops, that is, soldiers from the neighboring Arab countries, invaded on behalf of Palestinians. Thousands of Palestinians fled and were forced out of their homes in what they call Al Nakba, or the catastrophe. By the time of fighting ended in a ceasefire the following year, Israel controlled most of the territory. Jordan occupied the land known as West Bank and Egypt occupied Gaza. Jerusalem was divided between Israeli forces in the west and Jordanian forces in the east. Because there was never peace agreement between the two, each side blamed the other. There were more wars and fighting in the decades. Next, in another war was taking place in the year 1967, in which Israel occupied East Jerusalem and West Bank, as well as most of the Syrian Golan Heights and Gaza and the Egyptian Sinai Peninsula. So here peninsula means most of the land covered by sea. Palestinian refugees and their descendants lived in Gaza and West Bank, as well as neighboring Jordan, Syria and Lebanon. Neither they nor their descendants, that is generation, have been followed by Israel to return to their homes. Israel says this would overwhelm, that is, a despot, as well as rule the country and threaten its existence as a Jewish state. Israel still occupies the West Bank, and although it pulled out of Gaza, and United Nations still regards that piece of land as a part of occupied territory. Israel claimed the whole Jerusalem as its capital, while the Palestinian claims East Jerusalem as the capital of a future Palestinian state. In the past 50 years, Israel has built settlements as well as colony in this area where more than 6 lakhs Jews live. Palestinian says these are illegal under the international law and are obstacles, that is, the resistance to peace, but Israel denies this. Next, what happening now? So let's know the matter. What will happen in these recent times? Tensions are often high between Israelis and Palestinians living in East Jerusalem, Gaza, and the West Bank. Gaza is ruled by Palestinian militant group Hamas, which has fought Israel many times. Israel and Egypt tightly control the Gaza's border to prevent Hamas of getting weapons. Palestinian, those who are in Gaza and the West Bank, says that they are suffering because of Israeli actions and restrictions. Israel says it is the only acting to protect itself from Palestinian violence. These things have escalated, that is gradually increased since the start of the holy Muslim month of Ramadan in the mid of April 2021, of which nightly clashes between the Polish and Palestinians. The threatened eviction, that is destruction of some Palestinian families in East Jerusalem, has also caused a rising as well as intense anger. That means it makes sense of losing temper of the Palestinians. Next, what are the main problems? So let's know the matter relating to the problem. There are a number of issues which Israel and the Palestinian cannot agree on. This includes what should happen to Palestinian refugees, whether Jewish settlement in the occupied West Bank should stay or to remove, whether the two sides should share Jerusalem, and perhaps most of tricky of all, whether a Palestinian state should be created alongside Israel. Peace talks have been taking place on and off for more than 25 years, but so far have not solved the conflict. Next, what does the future hold? What the scenario will shown to us in future? So let's know the matter. In short, the situation is not going to be sorted out at any time. Most of the recent peace plan prepared by the United States when Donald Trump was president, called the deal of the century by the Israeli PM Benjamin Netanyahu, it has been dismissed by the Palestinian because one-sided decision and never got off the ground. Any future peace establishment will need both sides to agree to resolve the complex issues. The British Broadcasting Corporation's Middle East editor Jeremy Bowen says this latest round of violence is the fourth big R between the Hamas and Israel since 2008. What do you think regarding the conflicts as well as border disputes? Is it comes to an end, or there will be any final consequences, or it is to be continued till last breath? You can make your valuable decision on the comment box and any resolution for the disputes. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.